So here I am stuck at a crossing. I guess it's something to do to video it. What else can you do? Make something good out of something bad. I really need to be home right now. It's going to get dark soon, so you can see the long shadows in the foreground. But that's life. Make something good out of something bad. Not that it's the worst thing in the world. Hurry up and wait. Some people might be very familiar with that term. That's basically what you do. You rush to get your gas, only to be stuck by the train. Yeah. I went to 2 stores and the train was still blocking the crossing. And here I am waiting. And it's moving. It's slowly moving. It's going through that crossing slowly. Very slowly. Yeah. Oh well. It's not the kind of train video I like to do. But whatever. It is what it is.